Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh. You might be wondering about the video clarity compared to my previous videos. Yes, I have upgraded my gears. I have got a new DSLR. Today we're gonna unbox F&D 550 speaker. As you can see here, today I have got F&D 550x speaker. I'm shooting this video on my new DSLR, so really happy to do that. And this is one of the best 2.1 you can buy at the price of 4,000. This is easily available on Amazon, Flipkart and nearby shops. So I hope you will like the video. Watch till the end. Go ahead and start the unboxing of this F550x. So let's go ahead and see what is inside the box and do the unboxing. We will also go through a sound check. So watch the video till the end. How it's gonna look after installation. So the speakers are quite beautiful in shape, just like a star logo over there, and either you can place it this way. This is how I'm gonna put it, and these are the lights which change. It has got 4 colors, as you can see here, changing to purple, red and so on. So let's go ahead and play some music and see how it sounds. Alright, let's go ahead and check connectivity which we get here. So this is the treble, this is the bass, so you can control treble and bass both. It has got the model number F550x, and it does comes with an FM antenna, and this is the power off on button. So basic button, if in case you want to switch it from here you can. Also this is the output, so you gonna connect both the small speakers to this and that. So the other end here, if I can show you, so just like this one, and this is where you will connect your RC to aux cable. If in case you want to connect this to your television or maybe any of your device which allows auxiliary or aux, so you can use this ports. And that's all about the video. I hope you have liked the video. Enough with the unboxing and review. Let's go ahead and check out some pictures. I hope you have liked the video. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.